you often find yourself saying there just aren't enough hours in the day. Now, whether you're the CEO or the secretary or you're starting to build your empire, we all say those words. But yet, clients still expect the highest level of service from you, and they expect you to make an effort when it comes to their gifting. Now, research has shown that people who receive a gift that is gift wrapped have a better perception of the person who gave it to them. Now, how are you going to manage your time plus the client's expectations? Well, one of the things that you can do is to purchase gift ribbon. In fact, personalized gift ribbon with your logo on. This is an example of a sublimated gift ribbon that we did for our client. They keep it in stock, and then whenever they've got gifts to hand out, just simply tying a ribbon onto it with a nice handwritten message on a gift tag goes a long way. You can even do it with t-shirts. If you keep ribbon in your stockroom and maybe even plain gift wrap, then you save a lot of time for when you just have to drop off a quick gift for a client. Maybe it's their birthday, or you have a special event coming up and you have an international speaker. It really makes you look polished, and most gift ribbon and gift wrap is so cost effective that it can actually come out of your petty cash budget. So if you're looking for ways to make clients look special, think no further than ribbon. My name is Kim Vermaak, and I'm from a team called Beautiful Corporate Gifts, and for the past 17 years I've been helping clients to connect better with their customers. So if you want information, please contact us on sales@beautifulcorporategifts.co.za, and remember to subscribe to our channel.